Imagine a world without written correspondence, at lightning speed. The typewriter, an innovation that transformed communication, was born out of secrecy and necessity in the 19th century. It all began with an Italian inventor, Pellegrino Turri, who built a typing machine for his blind friend in 1808. Though shrouded in mystery, Turri's invention laid the groundwork for the faster, more efficient communication devices we rely on today. Initially an exclusive luxury, the typewriter's popularity soared in the late 1800s with Christopher Latham Scholl's model, forever altering the way words reached the world. Want more hidden stories like this? Smash that subscribe button and unravel more mysteries with us.